Hey guys, in this video I am going to code for the problem minimum steps to 1. So at first I will implement top down approach. So let's take input and let's make a function which will compute my answer. So in this function I will pass n and let's clear base case. So if n equals to 1, then we just return 0 because we need 0 steps from 1 to 1. Okay, otherwise let's say x equals to infinity and y equals to infinity and z equals to infinity. Now x equals to compute of n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, and if n% 2 equals to 0, then y equals to compute of n by 2 plus 1, and if n% 3 equals to 0, then z equals to compute of n by 3 plus 1. Now I have to take minimum, so my answer would be minimum of x comma y comma z. Okay, now let's just see if it gives me correct answer or not. So my answer will be compute of n, and I will just print my answer. Okay, so I'll just build it. Now I can see that for 1 I am getting 0, for 2 I am getting 1, for 3 I am getting 1, and for 9 I am getting 2, and for 10 I am getting 3. So these all are correct answers. Okay, so now we just have to apply memoization to our recursive solution. So for that I will create a dp array. I will give it a size n, and I will mem set my dp array to -1. Okay, so after the base case, if my dp of n is not equal to -1, then I just return dp of n. Otherwise I return I return dp of n equals to answer. Okay, so let's test our solution. So we are getting correct answer. Okay, now let's implement the bottom up approach. Okay, so I'll just make a new file. Let's give it a 2. Now I will take input n and I will make a dp array, and dp of 1 will be 0, and for lli equals to y less than equal to n I plus plus, I will initialize x to infinity, y to infinity, and z to infinity. Now if x will be dp of I minus 1 plus 1, and if I percentage 2 equals to 0, then dp not dp, then y equals to dp of I by 2 plus 1, and if I percentage 3 equals to 0, then z equal to dp of I by 3 plus 1. Now let's update our dp of I, which will be minimum of x, y, and z, and at last we will just print our dp of n. Let's just test our solution. So we are getting correct answer. So that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.